everyone. It's another early morning. 6:55 you can see the clock, to be precise. It's drizzly. It's very drizzly. At least it's not raining, like it was last night, when I rode all the way home from work, and I forgot to plug my microphone into the camera. So there I was, rambling away, as I do, and nothing was recorded, because I didn't plug my microphone into the camera. Today it is plugged in. The highlight of yesterday was I actually got, which I'm going to try and feed into this footage somewhere, a police car, Cambridgeshire, just pulled off. No indication, just pulled off. So, yeah. It was a last minute pull off as well. We just kind of stopped and pulled off. Oh, it is a bit chilly this morning. I wonder what the temperature is. I can't reach it. That's a bit of a pain. I'll have to try and do it when I get to when I stop next. Oh, a bit of fresh on the legs, that is. There. This is the joys of riding a motorcycle in the UK. And if I don't ride her, I ain't going to get used to her. That's the downside. But at least I'm getting to test out. Ah, that's the other thing as well. I got one of these, I think one of these waterproof bags. It's apparently 9 degrees. I've got one of these waterproof bags to try, because I've got no luggage on this bike at the moment. And it really did hammer down with rain last night, and it absolutely worked a dream. It really did. Worked a dream. Bye-bye, cars. Oh, that's a fresh wind. I should imagine it feels about 5 or 6 degrees, actually. Taking it gently around the roundabout. He's very responsive. Very responsive this morning. So, whilst on the subject of videoing and recording and stuff, I heard on the news today that apparently there's a snowboarder in Japan, because apparently there's snow in Alps in Japan, which, you know, I'm kind of wondering if I knew about that, which I don't think I did. But she's got filming herself on a GoPro with a pole, a GoPro pole, and apparently she's being chased by a bear, but she doesn't know she's being chased by this bear. I'm definitely going to have to find that. I'm going to have to find that and put the link in the description. I'm going to find it and look at it myself. You imagine actually looking at the footage afterwards and going, oh, what's that in the background? Oh my god, I'm being chased by a fucking bear. You snooze, you lose. So yeah. Oh, hello. Ooh. Oh my god, I think I'm going to have to moan all the way down here now, because it's cold. It's colder than yesterday, and it was raining yesterday. And we had big fat blobs of cold rain yesterday. So today we've just got drizzle, but there's an icy wind in the air, very icy wind. So, but I have my lovely heated grips now to keep my hands warm, because, you know, can't have cold hands, gotta have warm hands at least. That's the way it goes. Oh dear. Talk amongst yourselves a second while I think of something. I am so tired. Oh my god. The weekend was horrendous. And I've got another horrendous weekend this weekend. Oh no. and the weather's not getting much better. It's quite... We've gone a period of time with a very nice week, looking like it's going to be a really nice summer, into this nastiness that we call weather. This huge, humongous nastiness. Oh, listen to that engine. I don't think you can actually hear it. I've not had to listen to the recordings that I've done yet. Oh, God. Right. I'm getting better, sort of better at that, but where I usually drop it into second gear on my old bike, I can't do it on this because I've just, oh, that's it, let the bus out. That's a smart move. Great, now we're stuck behind a frickin' bus. Oh, we're off. And we're off. See, I'll do a short shift into second, but then she kind of judders it because she doesn't like her. Still desperately trying to get used to this accelerator, which I'm sort of getting used to it. That's the whole point of coming out in this gorgeous weather, as well as providing you guys with some interesting footage of me riding to work. Because, like, what could be more interesting than listening to me and watching me ride to work in the morning, or any time, come to that matter, or whatever else I do. I know some of you are only watching to see if I fall off. I know, and that's probably my mates. Oh, lovely, lovely rain. Lovely. I'm bloody hungry as well. I'm hungry. I'm getting cold. I'm moaning a lot today. Oh, that's what happens when you come down from such a manic, hyperactive activity like the weekend. You come down, crashing down like a lead balloon. Though I am still enjoying this ride. I am really, really enjoying this ride, even if it is a bit drizzly and wet. One thing I have noticed is that I have to keep higher revs on her, otherwise she feels like she's going to stall, or she's what I call pinking. But right then, guys, I am going to go and freeze my nuts off on the A1, and I will catch you at the bottom end for the rest of the video. Bye bye. Oh my God, Jesus Christ, what a twat. And I've got that on tape. Bloody hell. Why has that car got mooses all over it? I wonder if they're Canadian. What the hell? Oh, viewers, as you can see, the weather's turned crap. Well, at least my waterproof bag's working well, even if it is whipping my arse. God, I can't believe how much the weather's changed this morning. no idea it was this bad. But needs must, and I need to ride this bike. It just amazes me that people drive at the speed they do in this weather. And they have no regard for anybody else's safety. This is what you call proper rain. So far I've had 2 people try and kill me on the A1. The rain's got heavier, as you can see. Oh, the braking on this is lush. What's going on here? Oh, hello. Somebody broken down. There's a crane broken down. Oh, that's the beauty of a bike. Not the beauty of this bloody weather, it's fucking horrendous. Oh. Beep. That's a big place to... silly place to break down, Molly. Get out of the way. Ugh. Cool. Now I'm steaming up again, and big blobs of rain on my visor. Obviously there's a fire. So this is going to be ironic, because they're going my way, and there's a good possibility that I'm going to overtake them again in a second. I think my jeans are now starting to get wet. I can feel it. I need to get myself a waterproof rump suit. No 2 ways about it. Yep. So there's that car who's now stuck in traffic. And I'm going to come up behind him. I'm going to go straight past him. Bear in mind, he just barreled past me at stupid mile an hour in the rain. And I don't think that red car even looked at the roundabout. It just went. Oh, it's getting heavy. Oh, I definitely think the rain's going to things at the moment. I'm sure it is. In fact, I'm absolutely positive it's going through everything. My arms are feeling a bit cold now. This is where the joys of heated clothes would come in as well. Although I'd be riding down there steaming like a boy in the bag. So I've just gone past him. So he's flying past me at stupid miles an hour, and I've just gone past him at about 20. Ooh. Oh, listen to that rain. My mate would probably be going nuts at the moment because he doesn't like taking his bike out in the rain. He'd be like, oh, it's getting wet. She's going to need it clean again soon because Muck that's been chucked up on her at the moment. Where are you going, Mr. Ago? Okay, surprisingly not a bad ride. He says, and now gets trapped by a traffic light. Right then, guys, I'm going to say goodbye at these traffic lights. Oh yeah, I am wet. Yeah, I'm very wet. I hope this is going to dry out in time before tonight.